How to add voice memo to CapCut. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now this is extremely simple. I am inside my CapCut application right here, and all you have to do is to open up the voice memo application. Once inside voice memo, you can just go ahead and search or open up the voiced memo that you want to put in your CapCut. In my case, I'll go ahead and select this voice memo right here, and right after, you want to click on the three dots at the corner of that memo. Inside, click on the share button, and from here you want to go ahead and look for CapCut. As you can go ahead and see, we have to click on the import audio to CapCut, and it will instantly import the voice memo into our CapCut. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.